That pisses me off. I'm
You and
so
me both.
But
You can,
so like there'll be a fire, you said?
No, only if it backfired. So
But it sounds
when
good.
when it kicks off, give it
Okay.
give it some
Sweet.
and I'll try and keep it running. I noticed the choke didn't close.
Yeah, no, I was gonna say that.
Ready?
Yep. Battery?
Good.
It's dead.
Yep.
Dude, what the fuck?
That's so lame. I don't know if it'll fit enough to.
Hey. Oh.
All right, so no more. Okay, it went out. You did your job.
What the fuck?
That happens sometimes. We're still trying to get fuel up to the carburetor.
Scared the shit.
Whoa, that's a lot of fuel.
Ooh, and we have black smoke coming out of there now.
Okay, so we did get the motor in the Impala. We got a little bit of wiring to sort out, but this happened. So because of the difference in this flange for the Edelbrock and the original iron intake, we have this gap right here. I'll make sure and clean up this extra. We don't have any vacuum leaks. I didn't notice that when we put it together, but Alex was smart enough to see a little puff of smoke come out of it. So right away we knew, oh, that's gonna be a vacuum leak. And it only ran for a second. So what we gotta do, these are what I believe are the old coil wires. We need key on power, and then we need power still when it's cranking for the choke and for the HEI distributor. For whatever reason, this coil wire was dropping out on us to no voltage after the engine cranked and fired. So I'm just gonna double check it now. So go ahead and go key on, Alex. Before fuel injection, I was just talking to Alex about chokes. So this is our choke, our electric choke on this motor. So when an engine is cold and the cylinders are cold and the pistons are cold and everything's cold, the fuel doesn't atomize as well, mixed with air as well. So it doesn't atomize as well. So you need more fuel to get that atomization for combustion. So that's where the choke comes in. So you block off some of the air entering, you get some more fuel, and then as the car warms up, you don't need as much choke until it's fully open. Now, with electronics and fuel injection and stuff, the computer does all that for us. We don't have to worry about chokes and pumping the throttle or anything like that. It's all computerized, which is an awesome thing. But on this car, so we're gonna wire this to the side of the alternator that's hot, key on, that's not hot, key off, or while it's running. So you'll have to sit for 30 seconds or something, key on, the choke's gonna fully close. And then this thing takes a few minutes to fully open. So as it slowly opens, the car will be warm, hopefully operating temperature somewhere around there, and then it won't need a choke anymore. So that's why we're wiring it that way. Motor sounds good though. Not making a bunch of noises or anything, you know. This is how it ran in that car it came out of. So. All right, let's let her cool down. Hey, man.
Fuck yeah.
That's my dad said that's a long road to Dixie, trying to get this thing to this point. You know what I mean?
Hell yeah. Yes, man.
Yeah. All sitting here all summer and like, yeah.